What letter is this? This is the letter T. Can you say T? T, T, T. What sound does T make? Ta, ta, ta. What word starts with T? Ta, 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 ta. Ta means you. Ta starts with T. Let's say it again. Ta, ta, ta. What word starts with T? Toad. Toad, 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 toad. Toad means hot. Toad starts with T. Say it again. Toad, toad, toad. What word starts with T? Tubba. Tubba, 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 tubba. Tubba means fever. Tubba starts with T. Let's say it again. Tubba, tubba, tubba. What word starts with T? Torr. Torr, 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 torr. Torr means black. Torr starts with T. Say it again. Torr, torr, torr. What word starts with ta, 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 ta? Tubba, tubba, tubba. Torr, torr. They all start with T. T is a special letter. Let's say it one more time. T, T, T. Ta, ta, ta. Great job, my friend. You learned the letter T. We'll sing again next time. Thank you for learning Pashto. Please like, subscribe before you go. With your help, we make much more fun Pashto videos and so much more. And don't forget to share with friends.